Hey guys, welcome back. It's Mayang D, or if you already know what's going on. Alright, so in today's video, I just want to show you guys how to make hairy eyebrows look good, because I need to get my eyebrows done, but I don't have the time right now. I got the time, but I don't be wanting to go. We making sure that the concealer is covering all the new hair that we have. I have like 3 eyebrow tutorials on my channel. How much more do y'all want? So remember, the goal is to cover all of this new hair right here. I could shave it right now, but I don't want to. I want it to build up and then I shave it. Alright, y'all. Y'all do not want to use a pencil like this. Hold on. This is a good pencil. This is the pencil that I'm going to use. But look at it. Stop being lazy and sharpen it. I'm going to sharpen it today. But on the regular, I do my eyebrows with the pencil like this. But it don't come out as nice, you know? If you really want to cover up that new hair, you got to sharpen the pencil. This is how sharp it's supposed to be. You just want to draw a straight line. So right now, I'm just lightly putting the pencil in there. Oh my God. We probably could fix that. I OD'd. Alright. Oh. Alright. So we're going to use our toolie and we just going to brush this out. Oh, we most definitely going to fix this. This is hilarious. I've never done my eyebrows like this. But we have to cover the new hair. Nah. Alright. We're going to keep going because that's what we do and that's what we here for. We keep going. Now we're going to fix that. We're using our LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Dark Cocoa. And this is the brush that I'm going to be using. Alright, since we fixing this, we got to put a lot of concealer, okay? So I'm just putting as much as concealer as I can. I'm just putting a lot of concealer on top of the hair because you just want to make sure that it is tapped in. So guys, you just want to have a steady hand and just go over it, over the line. I can't talk and do this at the same time, okay? So just watch. This is so satisfying. So for the top, you want to start right here. Well, you just want to put some concealer right here because I have too much on here. This is how it's looking. Let me not mess it up. So once your eyebrows is like this with the concealer everywhere, you're going to get a foundation. You can get any foundation that you like. You can get your daily foundation. I'm going to go and use my Beauty Blender foundation. This is the shade 4.75. And I'm just going to put some of that on a brush like this. And I'm just going to blend the concealer out. Now we're gonna go ahead and do this eye. Should I do this eye on camera? Like, I just showed y'all how to do this eye. Like, y'all should know how to do this side. For real. I'm gonna show y'all anyway though, because like this is what I do. So you just want to make sure that it is aligned with this side. This eyebrow got way more hair. Just gonna go ahead and do the same thing we did for the other eye. You're gonna get a lot of concealer. I'm starting all the way on the end because it's a lot more hair. Us dark skins get scared when we see this like concealer. We like, oh my god, is it gonna blend out? Yes, it is. Get your foundation. So I advise you, if you going out and you just doing eyebrows for the day, you not beating your face, use a darker concealer. And if you be in your face, this is perfect. The people out there that don't want to go outside and get their eyebrows done and they got the hairy eyebrows and they want to beat their face, here we go. This is it for you. Here's a little before and after from me. This is how it looks before and this is how it looks after. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed it.